It's important to vote because that's your voice. It's how you make positive change. It's how you influence your future.
We really have the power to make a difference.
Your vote can determine the outcome of an election.
I vote for equal and equitable access to healthcare.
I vote because I value basic human rights and racial justice.
Women's rights and gender inequality.
To see more women in political positions.
So that our representatives and the policies they create represent our society.
It's important to vote because for decades and for centuries, women and people of color fought for the rights to be able to have their voices heard.
Since we are still going through a pandemic, I vote to improve public health.
I vote for common sense gun reform.
I vote to support our veterans.
The Hispanic community. Mental health.
Education.
Climate change.
Renewable energy.
Inequalities within healthcare.
That my son and my daughters have equal rights.
Public safety. I think people should feel safe no matter the community that they're in.
International diplomacy, because I think it's really important to build a strong global community.
You should vote because elected officials make choices about your choices.
It is the basic requirement for civic engagement. And it's easy.
Racial inequality. I want to go out to the polls and vote in order to fix those inequalities.
Voting impacts the present and the future. We can make a change here in our own neighborhood.
I want to make sure my voice is represented.
Register to vote.
Don't forget to vote.
Don't sit and mope, go out to vote.